And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Hello, Maga. My name is Elias Mercado, and here is Mr. Larson, and together we're going to kick off Hispanic Heritage Month.
Elias and I have been working together to do a read aloud for a book called How Alma Got Her Name. You can watch it with your family on YouTube, or you can watch it in class. Now, friends, from his classroom, Mrs. Espinosa's, have come together to share with us some amazing, famous Hispanic Americans who have contributed to Hispanic culture. Check it out.
Fernando Valenzuela, Jennifer Lopez, Carlos Santana, Sonia Sotomayor, Selena Quintanilla, Roberto Clemente, Alan Ochoa,
This is a quick reminder to all our friends that love to sing that chorus begins on Monday. Auditions are today after school. Make sure you're there and make sure you're ready to perform. Speaking of performing, Maga Idol is back and permission slips are due this Wednesday. So make sure that you and your family members are getting together to submit your permission slips and to tell me all about your performance using the QR code. Thanks so much, Maga Idol. I can't wait to see you guys on stage. It's hard to put into words the sacrifice our military families make when they choose to protect our country. But sometimes it makes for some wonderful moments when families reunite. Here's Amelia Groover and her brother as they reunite after a long time being away.
How's it going? HM3 Groover. We're at McGaw Elementary and I'm here to pick on my little sister, Amelia Groover.
When you think about McGaw Elementary School, you might think about the students, the parents, or even the staff. But guys, let me tell you about another important group of people that we need to acknowledge whenever they're here. And that is our guest teachers, or some of us might call them our substitutes. Anytime we have a substitute, we need to be on our best behavior, we need to be helpful, and we also need to make sure that we are following their instructions. You might never know who's serving in your class. Take, for example, this guy right here. This is Dr. Greg Stone. He is a former principal at Los Alamitos High School. He's committed so much time and energy to helping young people that I and Mrs. Wood really respect him. So friends, whenever someone is doing a wonderful thing to help our friends and family members here at McGaw Elementary, let's be sure to show them respect. Oh, and by the way, thanks so much, Dr. Stone, for your service and dedication. You are an inspiration to all.
Have a great week, Maga. Bye!